Today we're looking at this wonderful little thing, the Astrhori 6.5mm f2 circular, obviously fisheye. Currently testing the video out on the T4. There's no autofocus to worry about, so this is basically it. Wide open, so sunny day, can't get a filter on it. We've had to come into a car park. Anyway, yeah, let's have a look at this thing up close and get some random tests on the go. Yes, I'm back. Yes, I need a shave. Let's crack on. So we have one instruction manual, and that is basically your lot. Feels a decent weight. Yeah, first impressions, all metal. Actually a clicky aperture ring, 2:22. I mean, it's not perfect, but it's nice and clicky. Manual focusing, 20 centimeters to beyond infinity. I think we're going to play around infinity on this and probably f8, wherever that is. There's a 5.6, a dot, and then a 22. Anyway, yeah, it's quite a decent feeling thing, all things considering. 268 grams. If we pop off, that was quite stiff. No place for a filter. A bit worried about that. I can go back. So it clicks in. Fair enough, that's quite good. Metal mount, no weather sealing as expected. 9 diaphragm blades, 6 elements in 5 groups. Angle of view, as you can imagine, for a circular fisheye, 192 degrees. It is a focal length equivalent of 9.75 in full frame term, but you know, it is what it is. Let's just throw it on the T50 to see how it fares. I like that. That is actually pretty good. It looks pretty good and it feels pretty good on that camera, but how does it fare out in the real world with this lens? Anyway, let's crack on. After 2 months use, there's a bit to talk about, and as always we'll touch on build and handling first, and it's very simple. I like the overall feel of the lens. The rings are well textured, not particularly accurate, but the lens has a good solid quality to it, and that cap, very, very nice. Now for a few more samples as usual, and we'll talk about the all-important image quality. Sharpness is quite good actually where it counts. The edges, not a complete mess. Color rendering, not bad, and contrast is good. Chromatic aberration was quite a standout, really. It's actually really good considering the nature of this lens. Distortion, well, it's as it should be, as you can see. The lens is also naturally prone to flare, but nothing too wild. Trying to achieve any notable bokeh is very tricky, as you can imagine, but you know, it's absolutely fine. Overall then, the image quality, actually not bad at all. Naturally, this is not an everyday lens, but it's small, well built, so throwing it in your day trip or travel kit bag, not a problem. You can pull it out for those more wild point of view and have fun. And as if you get it from Pergear, it's less than £100 delivered. I think at that price, it's a worthy buy. Have you tried it? Let us know in the comments, and I'll see you there.